Hi, this is Sharath Manchikatla, and today I'm going to present the application that has been developed for ITMD-513 final project. So in order to start the server, I need to trigger the command run server. So this will start the Django server. As you can see, it is running on the port 8000. Now let me go and hit this page on my browser. Now we can see the login page has come up. So this is the login page of the application. So I'll provide the username and password. If I give any valid password, it says the username does not match. So there is a validation for it. So now I'll go ahead with the valid user ID. As you can see, there is no country or state coming up here because those need to be imported, and I'm here providing the import country, state and cities menus through which we can import the data into the application or the database. So now I'm going to trigger import countries. So here you can see in the log the 250 countries have been imported into the database. So SQLite is being used for the database, where a country table is created and 250 countries are inserted into the database. So now if I go and check here on the same page, okay, so here I can see now the countries have been loaded. As we can see, if I select a country, there is no state coming up or city coming up based on this data, which means we still need to load the states and the cities. So now I'm going to execute the import states. States are imported. Now we can see imported 4,800 states into the database, and also a table called state is created. If you want to check again, uh, so we can check this here. If I go and select a country, we go and select a country, the corresponding states have been shown here. So similarly, I'm going to import the cities. So you can see here imported 1,47,000 cities into the database. So if I go and check countries, like if I wanted to see for any country, I can also type in United States. Let's see for United States, and then for any state, if I want to look at Texas, and then so you'll see the cities. So I will be looking for Houston. So once I select this data, this city and state, we should be able to see a graph that gets generated. So here we can see the graph is generated for this city Houston, and this gives the whole picture of the yearly averages of max and minimum temperature as well as the rainfall. And if I wanted to look at other graphs like the temperature for the next coming 5 days, I'll click on this temperature and it shows the temperature compared with the actual and the fields. Like this is for every hour, every 3 hours, like 6, 3, 6, 9, 12. So every 3 hours this plot has been done, and for the next 5 days. And I can also switch between the graphs to look at different parameters like the wind, humidity and visibility compared to visibility, and the UV index compared to the average temperature. So this is the overall objective of the project, and the user can also log out, and then he will be shown the login page. That's all. Thank you.